Everybody, look at him now. The senior of the year, everybody. And the doggy. Everybody, look at the doggy. Look at the doggy. Look at the doggy. Hi, Pimp. Hey
Hey!
again.
Hey, boy!
Hey. Another senior. Pimp. Pimp. Where you go? Huh?
Is
Huh?
that...
Where you going, Pimp?
That would be her camera then.
You're right. And there's Derek, everybody. Good night, some power for Derek. Hey, what's up with the beer, man? Give me another beer later, alright, bro? Alright, there's Pimp again.
Hey, you know
Hold up. And there's bro.
Now we didn't even put our fucking vents open.
There's Bill.
Chilling for a while.
Everybody to Bill. Say hi to Bill, everybody. And there's my mother all the way over there. Hi, Mom.
What are you doing? Recording?
Get out of there.
Yeah. And there's Dad. And let's see what Travis is doing. Let's see what Travis is doing. He's playing a game.
Yes.
Yes, he is. He's going to get off of that. Is that right, Travis?
Yes.
Isn't that right, Travis? No, 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 no.
I can't shut it off.
No, no, no,
Then
no.
I'll take it and I'll play it for you.
It's an earthquake!
What's going on?
Come with me.
Where you going? Where you going? Where you going?
I gotta run back to the tent real quick and get my book.
Get what book?
Oh, you'll see.
Oh, you'll see. Now we gotta follow this man here. We gotta see what he got now.
We're gonna be walking a ways.
All right. So we can talk on the way there. Hey, everybody. It's Corey again. How y'all doing? Yeah, this is my friend Derek. He's going to have fun. We're going to walk all the way down to the campsite, and we're going to grab a book.
Oh, Ashley.
Now, I don't know, but his girlfriend should be coming on the way here. All right, where's she at? Where's she at? No. Now, today, in today's news, Derek is now trying to find his book in a trash dump. Oh, no, ladies and gentlemen, trash dump. Men's underwear. Fantastic thing, isn't it? And we are in Derek's room. He's going into his bag. He's looking for something. He's looking for something. And you don't know what he looks for. He's very surprised. This is a surprise, everybody. A big surprise. And the American flag is right there on Derek's pillow.
I pulled it out of my closet. What do you want?
A prize of possession. Doesn't that work?
Actually, that was my grandma's.
How about that? Everybody, yeah, face plant on my butt. Then, pizza sauce on a Frisbee. We are making some people pies earlier, and we were having fun about that. And then, it's somebody's stuff. No, 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 no. What you gonna do when your girlfriend asks you for certain things? Oh well. Now, Derek is back again. Well, hello, Derek. How are you today?
I think I got the wrong size of lead. Oh, no, I don't.
Don't you feel special now?
Thank goodness.
Alrighty.
I had to make sure I had the right size. Okay.
Now, Derek is all done with that, so we're gonna head on back to where my mom and Billy are. Okay? We're gonna head on back. But first, we gotta check something out. It's trash! It's trash! It's trash, everybody. It's trash. And hi, everybody. It's Mike. This is what I look fully. This is how I look all the way. There's no secrets. There's no nothing. I don't have no different voice. This is how I usually talk. It's a very bad thing when you're really young. Now, me and Derek are on the way back to the tent. No. So, Derek, give us a few words of advice today.
Don't go camping unless you're prepared.
And what else? What else?
And think twice about camping to begin with.
And don't be a pussy on trying to get in cold water because Derek is. Right, Derek?
Oh no, it was too cold out today. It was only like 70 degrees out today.
Really?
Yeah. Oh my god, that looks dangerous, doesn't it? Get that on camera.
Everybody. That's it. That was a person trying to take out a fire on a stick through the ground, everybody.
I think it was a log.
Nah, yeah, it was a log, dude. So we are in the wilderness right now, all over the place. All over the place. And that is my hand, yes. I know I'm just trying to fix something up real quick. Alright. Now we're in the grass. It's just a lovely day, isn't it, Derek? It's lovely, isn't it? Very lovely.
It's not too cloudy.
Alright. It's very
I
nice
wish it
out
was a little
there.
warmer though.
Yes, I believe so too. I believe it should be warmer, shouldn't it? Yes, it should. Shouldn't it, Derek?
Yes, it should. Just by a few degrees would be nice.
Alright, alright.
It's a little bit.
Playing as though. You said you were cosplaying as Al?
Everybody, there's a fire. There's always a fire everywhere. And there's my stepdad, Bill, big man of them all. And there's Derek. Derek is there. Oh, no. Now, we gotta check something up here. Alright. Hi, Mom. How you doing? Now, my mom is trying to make food. And I'm dropping stuff. How you doing, Mom?
Knock it off.
Okay. It's more fun doing that.
Not ready
yeah.
for YouTube.
It's never ready for YouTube.
I
isn't it?
really, has it been 5 minutes yet? 5 minutes and I sort of have to
No,
leave.
it's only been 37, 30, 40 seconds. And Travis, there's Travis. He's trying to suck his thumb. And there's Madeline trying to get her food. And Ashley's trying to go get some food. There's the fire again. There's Bill. There's Theo. Oh, there. Okay, time to clean up the table. Green chair. Green chair. Green chair. And there's Pimp Dog. Say hi, Pimp. Pimp, you tired? Oh, that's okay, buddy. That's okay. That's my boy. That's my boy.
Really go down to 9, take a right, go to 6, and take a right. You can't miss it.
Yes. of
Travis
course.
is now walking Madeline to her car because they're about to leave. She's about to leave. Isn't it just sad, everybody? It's so sad. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
You're bringing that thing to CastleCon.
Okay, make sure you have everything in your bag like you need.
Yes,
Okay?
everything. And if you see anything
Got your
that
eye.
looks like it might be mine, tell Travis. And
Okay, I'll beat Travis up later. All right. Bye, Madeline. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.
Hey you guys, I'm back from the, say 2 or 3 day camp trip. It was awesome. My friend Corey videotaped